Hello everyone. Today we are going to let you know the history of the world's cruel atomic blast, the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It all began at the end of World War II. Potsdam Declaration, an ultimatum issued by the United States, Great Britain, and China on July 26, 1945, calling for the unconditional surrender of Japan. 2 months after Germany surrendered, Allied leaders gathered in Potsdam, Germany to discuss peace settlements, among other issues. However, the war continued in Pacific theater as Japan remained committed to fighting. US President Harry, British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, and Chinese nationalists thus drafted a declaration that defined the terms for Japan's surrender and made dire warning if the country failed to put down its weapons. However, Japan refused and made no further statements in ensuing days, and finally, on August 16, 1945, at 8:15 a.m., the world changed forever. The US military dropped an atomic bomb, the Little Boy, on Hiroshima. Unimpeded by hills or natural features to limit the blast, the massive explosion created by the single bomb destroyed 13 square kilometers of industrial city. The heart of the fireball reached a temperature of several million degrees centigrade, resulting in a heat flash over wide area, instantly vaporizing all human tissue. The unimaginable blast, the equivalent of 15,000 tons of TNT, created hurricane force winds, spreading and intensifying an immense fire across the entire city. At least 75,000 died in first hours of the blast. Japanese Second Army headquarters, but it was primarily a big city with a huge civilian population. Only 10,000 of total 2 lakh deaths were military personnel. 3 days later, on August 9, 1945, the US dropped a second bomb, Fat Man, on Nagasaki, killing an estimated 1,40,000 innocent lives. Nagasaki had no military units, and of the total 1,40,000 deaths, there only about 150 were military. And this all was done to demonstrate America's unique military power, its possession of atomic bomb, in order to gain political and diplomatic advantage over the Soviet Union. This is the end of my topic. The next will be continued by my friend Bhavika.
My name is Bhavika Paryani and I am from Group 102 and our topic is present day situation about Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Here, President Barack Obama will visit Hiroshima, Japan nearly 71 years since the US dropped an atomic bomb on the city on August 6, 1945. Earlier this month, first posted the Hiroshima before, which are quite mostly to 1940s. A number of readers expressed interest in being a Hiroshima was well, and thanks to a PUGT photographs, we take a look at a modern city and portraits of still living survivors for bombing. On May 26, 2016, school children looked at the old photographs of the atomic bomb dome before the bombing in Hiroshima, Japan, standing across the river from the still standing ruins. Vehicles travel near Handuri through downtown Hiroshima on May 26, 2016. Imako Okada, 79 years, a savior of the atomic bombing of Hiroshima, poses at the Hiroshima Pace Memorial Park in Hiroshima on May 25, 2016. Okada was about 2.8 kilometers from a ground zero and suffered severe injuries in the blast of 1945 while her sister died. A visitor looks at Kogawa holy trees were radiated but survived between Gokuto Shrine and Hiroshima Castle on May 26th. A man walks on Hiroshima, and the handing of the Tsunamo Tsutsui was survivor of the atomic bombing and it also and on August 16, 1945, the US dropped an atomic bomb on Hiroshima that destroyed most of the city and instantly killed 80,000 of its citizens. Today, Hiroshima has recovered into a bustling manufacturing hub with a population of 1.1 million people and counting. Among some, there is an unfounded fear that Hiroshima and Nagasaki are still radioactive in reality. This is not true. Following a nuclear explosion, there are two forms of residual radioactivity. In fact, nearly all are induced radioactivity decayed and within a few days of the explosion. Hiroshima today in 1958, the population of Hiroshima reached 4,10,000, finally exceeding what is before the war. In 1980, Hiroshima became Japan's 10th government ordinance designated city. At present, it is a major urban center about home to about 1.2 million peoples. Now Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Hiroshima had been completely destroyed by the A bomb, but gradually electricity, transportation, and other functions were restored. The people collected any unburned materials they could find and began rebuilding their homes and their lives. Just because Hiroshima was chosen for the bomb because it had not been targeted during the US Air Force conventional bombing rapids on Japan and was therefore regarded as being a suitable place to test the effects on an atomic bomb. It is also an important military base. Thank you. My further topic will be continued by my friend Rishikesh.
Hello friends, myself Rishikesh Mohite and today I am going to tell you about the effects of the blast of the attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The two atomic bombs dropped on Japan in 1945 killed and maimed hundreds of thousands of people and their effects are still being felt today. By the end of 1945, the bombing had killed an estimated 14, 1,40,000 people in Hiroshima and a further 74,000 in Nagasaki. In the years that followed, many of the survivors would face leukemia, cancer, or other terrible side effects from the radiation. The uranium bomb detonated over Hiroshima on 6 August 1945 had an explosive yield equal to 15,000 tons of TNT. It raised and burned around 70% of all buildings and caused an estimated 140,000 deaths by the end of 1945, along with increased rates of cancer and chronic diseases among the survivors. A slightly larger plutonium bomb exploded over Nagasaki 3 days later, leveled 6.7 square kilometers of the city and killed 74,000 people by the end of 1945. Ground temperature reached 4,000 degrees Celsius and radioactive rain poured down. If a nuclear weapon were to be detonated over city today, first response hospitals, firemen, aid organizations would simply be unable to help. This powerful video The reason we know this is that the extent of the damage in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 made it nearly impossible to provide aid. In Hiroshima, 90% of physicians and nurses were killed or injured. 42 or 45 hospitals were rendered non-functional and 70% of victims had combined injuries including, in most cases, severe burns. All the dedicated burn beds around the world would be insufficient to care for the survivors of a single nuclear bomb on any city. In Hiroshima and Nagasaki, most victims died without any care to ease their suffering. Some of those who entered the cities after the bombing to provide assistance also died from the radiation. It takes around 10 seconds for the fireball from a nuclear explosion to reach its maximum size, but the effects last for decades and span across generations. 5 to 6 years after the bombing, the incidence of leukemia increased noticeably among survivors. After about a decade, survivors began suffering from thyroid, breast, lung, and other cancers at higher than normal rates. Pregnant women exposed to the bombings experienced higher rates of miscarriage and deaths among their infants. Their children were more likely to have intellectual disabilities, impaired growth, and an increased risk of developing. And for all survivors, cancers related to radiation exposure still continue to increase throughout their lifespan, even to this day, 7 decades later. Thank you, friends. And the further topic will be continued by my friend Alan.
Hey guys, I'm Alan Sebastian. I'm from medical faculty one, and I'll be the bombing of Nagasaki. On August 6, 1945, during an American B-29 bomber dropped its first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The explosion immediately and an estimated about 80,000. Tens of thousands more would later die of radiation exposure. 3 days later, a second B-29 dropped another A-bomb on Nagasaki, killing estimated about 40,000 people. Japan's Emperor Hito announced his country unconditionally surrendered to Japan in a radio address on August 15. considering the devastating power of a new and then even before the outbreak of war in 1939, a group of American scientists, many of them refugees from fascist Nazist regime in Europe, became a concern with the nuclear weapon research began to conduct in the Nazi Germany. In 1940, the US government began funding its own atomic weapons, developed a program which came under the joint responsibility of the Office of Scientific Research, Development of the War Department of the US Interior of US Army Corps of Engineers was tasked to spread heading the construction of the vast facilities necessary for top secret code named the Manhattan Project. Over the next several years, the program scientists worked on producing the key material nuclear fission, uranium-235 and plutonium. They sent them to Los New Mexico, where the team led by J. Rob worked in turn material. Then, by the time of the Trinity Test, Allied power and already defeated Germany in Europe. Japan, however, were fortified and bitter end of the Pacific, despite clear indication they had a little chance of winning. In fact, between mid-April 1945 and mid-July, Japanese forces inflicted Allied casualties totaling nearly half of those suffered in 3 years of the war in the Pacific, and that the Japan had become more and more even deadly than faced with defeated. Late July, Japan's military rejected the Allied demand surrender and put a declaration that threatened the Japanese prompt and utter destruction. Then Hiroshima, a manufacturing center of about like 350,000 people located and about 500 miles was selected as the first target. After arriving U.S. base on Pacific of Tinian, the more than 9,000 pound uranium and pound uranium-235 bomb was about modified B-29 bombs. Christian Enola Gay pilot and the plane dropped the bomb known as the Little Boy by a parachute at 18:15 in the morning, and it exploded about like 2,000 feet above Hiroshima. Blast equals to 12 to 15,000 tons of TNT, destroying the 5 square miles of the city. Hiroshima, the devastating failed and immediate Japanese surrender. However, on August 9, Major Charles Wind flew another B-29 bomber, boxcar from Taiwan, thick clouds over the primary target, city of drove a Sweeney to a secondary target, Nagasaki, where the bomb Fat Man was dropped at 11 that morning, more powerful than one used at Hiroshima. Bomb weighed nearly 10,000 pounds and was a 20-ton blast. The topography of the Nagasaki, which nested in a narrow valley between the mountain bomb effect, limiting the destruction 0.6 square miles. Then at noon, August 15, 1945, the Japanese time Hiroshima announced that his country surrendered in a radio broadcast. The news quickly spread. The victory in Japan, or VG Day, celebration broke out across the United States and allied nations. The formal surrender agreement was signed on September. The U.S. battleship Sori anchored in Tokyo. Because of the extent of devastating and chaos, including the fact that much of it is in fact wiped out, sacked, death from bombing Hiroshima and Nagasaki remain unknown. For the estimated roughly 70,000, 135,000 died in Hiroshima and 60,000 to 80,000 people died in Nagasaki, both from acute exposure to blast and long side effects. And thank you guys for listening. And further detail about this topic, you could check on the description. And thank you for listening. Thanks a lot.